name is Slick Nick. Experience, 25 years of Oxon technician. His objective, fit new timing belt oil.
Hello, Chins Motorsport. Oh, what you need an injector? We'll sort one out, son. No you bother. Give us a couple hours to finish this. It's alright, fuck off.
Right, that's loose now.
Here's a tip and stick one.
What do you need?
I'm going to tap this off. Get a move. Can I get the fuck out?
There's another bolt on it.
And then with your ratchet spanner, brother. Oh, look at that. Beautiful.
It's brilliant, isn't it?
Go into that hole there, right? Full turnaround. Push it in there. Right in the hole for the water pump. I'm reaming it. Reaming it out. Obviously you've got the notch in the oil pump. The tensioner sits there. The tail, the tensioner sits in the notch.
Here you go, done. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Took the bacon out of my teeth. Just put the charge cooler pump on. Look at the temperature. 21 degrees and dropping. It's dropping right down now. It's going to run cool this charge cooler on.
And there it is. Right there.
The alternator belt fucked. So we'll snap the alternator belt on this. Got a little trick. I've got any idea what size it's supposed to be. So what I'm going to do now, a bit of washing line here. I want to wrap it around both these pulleys, and then we're going to measure this, find out what the length is. Hopefully it works. If I can get my hands in there. Never put one of these engines in these cars. Too much stuff in them.
Right, so I'm under here now and I'm going to grab this, stick that on the pulley. Alright, Chins Motorsport. Aye. I'm reading about the alternator belt. Aye. It's C20 LET. Oh, you've got one. I'll send the dog down now. I'll be there in 10 minutes, alright? Cheers, man. Bye.
Yes, bring the new alternator belt. Oh, cheers, lad. Oh, let's get this on the Nova then. There's the devastation that was caused.
Oh, right. Alternator belt done on that one. Just slipping it something a bit more comfortable first. Right, so now that's done, we can take both the cars to a local meet.
You alright there?
What was that?
I said you're alright there.
I am alright. Thanks for asking. Let's have a look.
It'll take a couple seconds to come out, but There's the engine in it. You can see there's an absolute...
What do you think of this meet then?
That was alright. I'm just getting ready to leave now.
Aye, I'm getting ready to go and all.